subject mathematics, 6th class, chapter 1, exercise 2, page number 2. Okay, exercise 2, page number 2 children. Exercise 2 it is. Okay, now write in descending order. Descending order means what? Decreasing order. Descending order means decreasing order. So the question they gave 1 8 7 6 8 9 7 1 5 4 5 3 2 1 8 9 2 5 4. They gave the question like this. So descending order. This is 89,000. This is also 89,000. This is 750. This is 254. So first comes this one. Next, this comes second one. Next, third one. 45,329. 21. This comes third one. This comes fourth one. Now, see once more children. 89,750. 89,254. This is 45,324. 45,324. So decreasing order, first one will come 89,750. Next, the second one will come 89,254. 89,715. Next, 89,254. Next comes 45,321. Next comes 1,876. Okay, so this is decreasing order for first one. This is decreasing order, or you will say descending order. Okay, now next for this one you see children. Descending order means from big to small, my children. Now again, if this which is bigger, 3,000, 8,500, 3,900, 18,500. So 18,500 is bigger first. Then after 18,000 which will come children? 8,000 will come. Then afterwards which will come? 3,900 will come. Then 3,000 will come. But this is the decreasing order. Now, first one 18,500. Second one 8,700. Third one 3,900. Fourth one 3,000. Okay, children. So this is the decreasing order or descending order. Okay. Now next, fourth question is children. Put symbol less than or greater than. This is less than. This is less than. This is greater than. This is greater. You know no children? Those who don't know, I am writing now. This is less than. This is greater than. Now 3,854. 15,200 is less than, you know children? Now next, 4,895. 4,864. 4,895 greater, no children? Next, 99,454. 99,445. This is bigger, this bigger. 99,454 greater than 99,445. Next, fourth one, 14,500. This is 14,499. Which is bigger? This is bigger, this is bigger. 14,500 is bigger than 14,499. After 500. Next, what is the fifth question you see children? Write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. 7, 2, 6, 4, 2. Now 6th class children, you are knowing no children. Those are coming from 5th class, they know how to write. Okay. Now this is 72,642. This is 72,642. Okay children. Now this one 55,345. Okay. This is 66,600. Okay. This is what children? 55,345. This is 66,600. Okay. I have repeated children twice. Okay, see look here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So this is 55,345. 55,345. This is 66,600. Next, this one what children? 30,301. This is 30,301. Next, sixth one. This children, second one, third one, fourth one. You can write on your own now. Can you all write? You should write children. See, I have repeated third time. Third time I am repeating now. 55,345. 66,600. 30,301. Okay. Next. You should write it in your classwork as it is. Don't leave those empty spaces like that. Next. Write the numbers in figures. They are telling you to write the numbers in figures. 40,270. How will you write children? 40,270. So I am writing here 40,270. Now, how will you count? See, how it came, you should know, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So, 40,270. I have written there. Next, 14,064. 14,064. Now, once more. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. How will you read children? 14,064. Will you write the letter or not? Next. 9,700. 9,700. How will you write? 9,700. Next. 60,000. How are you going to write? 60. 1, 2, 3. Now how will you know whether it is correct or not? Place values you know, children. Count. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 60,000. That is 60,000. Now what is the seventh question they gave for you? Form a 4-digit number with 4, 0, 3, 7 they gave. Once more I will repeat children. Form a 4-digit number with 4, 0, 3, 7. How will you form? From that you should write greatest also, smallest also. Now see, I have written greatest. Greatest is 7,430 children. 7,430. Smallest, from 0 you should not write children. Did you understand? From 0 don't write because it is a 4-digit number. You should use the value of 0 also there. So even in 5th class, first chapter we did see children one problem of this sort. So you write the smallest from 3047. Okay, 3047. This is 3047. The greatest is 7,430. They are telling you to find the bigger number from this using and the smaller number. Don't put commas here children for this because it is a number. Those are the digits. Okay. Next. Now 8th question you see children. 8th question. Smallest 4-digit number. First question from 8th one. Smallest 4-digit number they are asking. Second one they are asking greatest 4-digit number. Third one they are asking smallest 5-digit number. Fourth one they are asking greatest 5-digit number. 5th class only you all know, no children, everything you all know. See, smallest 4-digit number means 1000. Like that, greatest 4-digit number means 9,999. All nines only. Greatest means every time you remember all nines only. Next, smallest means 1 followed by number of zeros. 1 followed by, suppose 4-digit number means 1 followed by 3 zeros. Like that you should remember children. Next, the smallest 5-digit number. 1 followed by 4 zeros. 10,000. Next, greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number I don't know. Greatest means you remember all nines only. Suppose it is greatest 4-digit number, 4 nines. Greatest 3-digit number means 3 nines. Greatest 2-digit number means 2 nines. Like that you can remember children. Okay. Greatest 5-digit number. 99,999. You need not spell it. Just 5 digit number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines. Okay. Next, page 5 of exercise 1.2, you children. Page 5 of exercise 1.2. Okay. Page 5. Now, exercise 1.2, you see children. They are telling you to round the nearest to tens. Rounding of numbers you learned now children in 5th class. Now, after 89, which will come children? 90. So, the nearest number to 89 is 90. This you are a little new concept you are having children, 6th class children. So, carefully listen again once more. They are telling you to round off 89 nearest to tens. 89 nearest to tens. So, this is 89 is nearest to 90. So, you should write 90. Next, 415. They gave the question 415. It is nearest to what? It is nearest to 420. Okay? 420. Next, 3951. Okay? See, 3951 is nearest to 3950 children rather than 55. We can't write 55. See, 51 means after 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 3 numbers are there in between. If we write 3950, it is only one number, no children. Therefore, the number nearest to 3951 is nothing but 3950. Next, fourth one you see children, 4409. 4409. 4409 is nearest to 4409 is nearest to 4410. 4409 is nearest to 4410. 4410. Okay children. Now see children, this is 6th class exercise 2, exercise page 1, page 2, exercise 1.1. What I'll have to do children, all of you will copy neatly in your class work. And only this and this and this I have not written in words. One I have written for you. All the others I have solved here. And don't draw lines and write as I have written. You should write one below the other. You know how to write now? Especially 5th class children, you don't know how to write maths. Okay? So now we have come to 6th class. So after one page, you should write in another page. After another page, then another page. Put exercise number, page number, question number clearly children in your classroom. That's all.